Okay, good morning students, and today as we are going to cover the topic production possibility curve, and it is the shortcut form is the PPC. Okay, what is the PPC? What we understand about the PPC? PPC, it is the combination of two goods that can be produced with the given resources and the technology. What is that? Resources and technology. So it is the combination of two goods, and two goods that may be X, Y, are the any two goods, clothes, wheat, rice, or whatever that we have to take it. So then it can be produced with the given resources and the technology. R means resources and T means technology. Okay. This is the things, and the PPC is known with the two others name, that is the production possibility frontier and the transformation curve. So this PPC is known for the two others name also, that PPF and the transformation curve. Okay, so this is the things. Now before going to understand about the PPC curve I drawn here, I want to just cover you all the assumption. What is the assumption? What assumptions we have to take it? Assumption means there is the some prefix in our mind. We are not going to change these things. Okay, and then this is the ideal situations where the combination will be form up by the this production possibility curve. Okay, first assumptions we have to take it. Resources, that whatever the given resources are there, resources are fixed. Resources are fixed. It means resources are not going to be supplied, not going to be down, or it is not going to be high. It is the whatever that we have the supply remain unchanged. Then after that, whatever the technology we are going to adopt to produce the goods and services, that technology also remain constant. It means there is no changes in the technology, there is no changes in the adopted technology, either it is the computerized or the hardware, whatever the software or hardware. Okay, so this is the thing. Then after that, third one we are going to see the resources are fully employed. The resources are fully employed. So these three assumptions we are going to take this one, and apart of these three, these are the main three. Apart of that, there are the some more are given in the books. Okay, so this is the assumptions and this is the definitions. What is the definition of this PPC? It is the combination of two goods that can be produced with the given resources and the technology. If we are talking about the production possibility curve, so we are going to talk about the production only, we are not going to talk about any types of consumptions. Okay, so this is the things. Now we are coming to this. If suppose this is the combination A, this is the combination B, and this is combination C, and this is the suppose E. This is the point. Okay, suppose X. Okay, I'm not going to check. What is the things? Resources and technology. Suppose हमारे पास 50 लाख रुपीस हमारे पास है, that I want to be invest and start the productions. So this is the possibility of the productions. If we are going to produce the Y, so then X will be 0. Okay, if we want to just produce this much quantity of Y, so then our X will be become 0. Same way, if X we want to produce here from O to X, so then our Y will be become 0. So this is not a perfect combinations. Okay, now I am coming to the point A. Point A we are having to show the possibilities of productions. If we are having a point, so then this is the y production, quantity production, and same way we are having x. Okay, so this is the suppose a and a1. Same way if we are coming to b, so this is the b1. Same way that if we want to come to c, so c is shows this one. Okay, c is shows this point. Okay, so this is the things, and already I told you this all the combination a, b and c is shows that if we invested 50 lakh rupees, so this all the combinations are here also, that 50 lakh invested, here also the 50 lakh invested, and here also 50 lakhs invested. It means all the combinations we are investing the 50, and this is the combinations that we are getting: combination A, combination B, combination C. And what are the things? That three assumptions will be applied here. Resources are fixed, whatever the resources we are getting, that is fixed. Technology remain constant, technology will remain constant, and the resources are fully employed. So this is the combination of A, B, C. That just quickly we want to see what is the difference between shift and changes. Shift and rotation. Rotations. Okay, shift and rotations. Shift means what? If suppose this one is the two combinations are here, x, y, and O originate point. This is our possibility curve. This is our PPC. And what is happening? Shift means what? If suppose we have adopted the technology, highly defined technology. Suppose x by y, both x y combination are there, and that both were the technology adopted, that the highly qualified or the advanced technology we adopted. So in that condition, this point A should shift to the A1, and this point B is shift to the B1. Okay, so this is the things that what is that? This is the shift from this way, shift to this way. So this is that. It means shift is the that condition when the both point can shift either rightward or the leftward. The rightward always in the rightward we have to say improvement in we have to say the in production, or if we are just shifting to A2 and B2, so then what is happening? This shift curve is shifted to the leftward. When means हमारा ओरिजिनल जो प्रोडक्शन है A2B है, and if we are just moving rightward, it means our production is increasing, and when we are moving to the leftward, our production is decreasing, and it may be the causes of anyone. Okay, so this is the example of shift in PPC. Now I am coming to the rotations. Okay, A, B combinations, and then what we are having, if Y technology is same and B is got the improvement, suppose B1, so then this is the rotation of PPC to the rightward. Okay, to the rightward. Same way, if this B is coming to the B2, so then what happened? It is shifted to the leftward. Okay, it is shifted to the leftward. So this is the known as a rotation. Rotation is from the y-axis also and the x-axis also. Same way that we can draw it here, we can get it x and y and O. So this one is the happening. This suppose is constant, so then it's shifted to the A to A1. If it is decreases, so then you can say the A2. So these both examples are the example of rotation. So this is the difference between the PPC shift and the rotations. Okay. Now I am coming quickly to the attainable things and the unattainable things. Now we are going to be see attainable and unattainable combination. Unattainable combinations. Okay, what is that? Attainable. See, this is the curve. I made it x and y, and this one is the production possibility curve, and this is the O. Suppose you have taken cloths here, and suppose you are taken the weight here. Okay. Now combination of suppose x and y. Combination A, combination B, combination C. Then after that one combinations we are having here, that is D, and one combination is here E. Okay. Now before that we have taken the three assumptions. What are the assumptions? That all the resources are fixed, technology remain constant, and that one more thing is there. What we have taken? That is the third one. We have taken assumptions that what is that? Resources are fully employed. Okay, so that things we are having, these three combinations are there. We are satisfied with the three combination. If suppose we are having the 50 lakhs to invest, so then this A, B, C, whatever that we have to take, it is the all the assumption will be fulfilled by this one, and all combinations are satisfied with the 50 lakhs investment. Now some are there. What is that? We are coming to the topics. D, point D. Point D is shows the future scope that we are not going to be attend this one. We are not going to be attend this one. What is that? If suppose this one is the, suppose it one is given 1000 crore rupees productions. Investment needed 1000 crore rupees. So then 50 lakh one people cannot accept this one, or they cannot attend this point. Why? Because of the lack of finance. 1000 crore they cannot attain. So that's why this point is known as the unattainable combination. Unattainable combination. Now we are coming to the point E, and this point is says that we are here. Resources are fully supplied, technology remain constant, and these all are the things. If we are having here, it means it shows we are able to 10 lakhs invest and that production is started. It means it shows that it is the attainable condition. Why? Because we are in the under production. So So then we are having still in our hand to reach this point 40 lakhs rupees we have in our hand, that we have to shift from to this point E to B. Okay, so this condition is known as the attainable condition, and this one is known as the unattainable conditions. Okay, there are the many things are there, that there are the PPCR, the three types. We have that, what is that? PPC is that rotations, already I told you. Shift, I already told you. What is the PPC definition? What are the assumptions? What are the two others names? PPF, production possibility frontier, and the transformation curve. So don't forget this one. For the more further information, please refer your books. Thank you all.